Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day and I thank you so much for tuning in today. Today, guys, I am participating in a collaboration or challenge, and this one is the Tiered Tray Challenge. Now, the host for this collaboration is Miss Rebecca, and her channel, forgive me for glancing at my notes, is Meadowhill Home in DIY. So again, it's Meadowhill Home in DIY, and again, that's Miss Rebecca. Now, what Miss Rebecca asked us to do was to put together a tiered tray, or to decorate a tiered tray. So in front of you is my attempt to decorate a tiered tray. Now, guys, I went a little outside of my comfort zone for this one. You know, I'm typically all about the glam, but I'm trying to expand my horizons. So instead of glam, I went with what I believe to be more of a country sort of farmhouse feel. So hopefully I nailed that, and if I didn't, just let me know. Now I'm going to get a little closer and let you see what I have on my tray. First of all, what I'm using here, this is a kitchen cart, and you guys have seen me, if you follow this channel, you've seen me use this cart before. As a coffee station and a drink station, and now I'm kind of reverting to sort of a coffee station, I guess, is what I'm using it for today. In the center, I have my tiered tray. Now this is a wicker tray, and I'll start at the top. On the top, I have my little yellow mugs that I thrifted, and I've got some yellow florals there on the top tier. The bottom is just purely decoration, nothing really useful there. I've got my little butterfly in the middle, and some of these little potpourri sort of decorative doodads, and I never know what to call them, forgive me. And some yellow flowers. Over here, I've got my Bless This Home. I don't even know what you call this. It's probably a paperweight, I think. And I usually use it in another part of the house, but I thought it would look right here. Behind that, I have a pitcher, a beverage pitcher, that I usually do keep filled with florals. So I've got some florals there in the beverage pitcher. And on this side, I just have another one of these thrifted yellow mugs with a little flower next to it. I've got some spoons in there for when I'm ready to make my tea, coffee, or whatever it is. And then up here, just for decoration, I'll back up a little bit. What I have is a little wicker miniature chair. This chair actually belonged to my mother. My mom's been gone for a long time. She passed away in 1988. And this is just one of the little things that she had. Even though she was more of a glam girl, for some reason she had this, and I've kept it, even though it doesn't really match my style either, and or my typical style. I have a candle on it, and I'm really just using it to hold my yellow napkins. Now, if you've seen any of my videos where I use this cart, then you may have noticed that I have a little sign back here, and the sign stays here all the time, and the sign actually says blessed. And it's wall art, but I like it here. So, and then for the foundation, I have this yellow runner. So that's basically all I have, guys. And again, I know this is a little outside of my normal, but I'm really trying to stretch my horizons and not just do glam all the time, which is sort of my go-to. And hopefully this is more of a farmhouse look, which is what I was going for. You guys let me know. And again, I just want to thank again Miss Rebecca, and make sure that you go down and find the link to her channel. And again, her channel is the Meadowhill Home and DIY. Now, I have subscribed to her channel myself, and I'm new to the channel, but I'm watching her videos and I'm really learning a lot. She does great DIYs, home decor. You'll love it. Make sure that you go over and pay her a visit today. And if you're not a member of this channel, please subscribe today if you would. Go down, hit that notification bell after you subscribe, tap it 2 times, and that way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. And you're going to see with me all sorts of tablescapes, home decor. If you go back in my history, you'll see a lot of home makeover videos when I was working on my fixer-upper project here. So again, I'd love to have you be a part of the family, and I really thank you for watching this video. And again, thank Miss Rebecca for challenging us to do a tier tray challenge or decoration.